Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing you guys the top and best Jailbreak tweaks that's been updated to support iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. Obviously not every tweak will support up to iOS 14, but majority of these tweets will. So this is kind of the Karen top tweets video. I'm saying this because most of these tweets are from Karen's repo. Karen is the creator of Unc0ver, which is by far one of the best tweets out there. So this is from Karen. Most of these tweets, like I said. So the first tweet is called CLI Tools. Meta package for some CLI tools that Karen uses often. This tweet is called Unc0ver, one of the best tweets there is on Cydia. And what this tweet allows you to do is supports iOS 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and iOS 14. And with this version, it was actually updated to support iOS 14.4.2. That's basically that's it for this version. But what it does, it's a tweak that allows you to freely install any ad hoc, signed, fake signed, or unsigned IPA packages. In other words, it allows you to install any app, whether it's signed or not signed. So you can only install apps that are signed, but this tweak allows you to install any app, whether it's signed or not signed. You could use piracy for this tweak. It's not recommended. I and the developer do not recommend you guys use this tweak for piracy because you're taking away someone else's revenue, someone else's money that they could be making, like developers. So use this in a good way. And don't use this for piracy. In other words, you can get like paid apps and games, the third-party apps to like Cydia alternatives for free instead of buying buying the in-app purchases. You get this, you could download like hacked games or download apps and games that are paid for free, because with this tweak you can download basically whether it's any app or game, whether it's signed or not signed. So if it's not installed with this tweak, it could be like a corrupt IPA file. So if it's a corrupt IPA file, there's nothing to do with this tweak. It's not going to install because it's corrupted. But this is by far one of the best tweets. What it also does, assists in the development of iOS applications with Xcode and allows you to clone or downgrade apps. So you can downgrade apps and you can clone apps, which means you can have two of the same exact app on your device. Next tweet is called AppSync for iOS 4.0. Same thing, but this is for iOS 4. AppSync for iOS 4. This tweet is called Android 4.x Pattern Lock. This theme adds the pattern lock graphics found in Android 4.x to Android Lock XT. This is called Unthreaded JB, hashtag Unthreaded JB, hashtag screen. Hashtag Unthreaded JB screen is of hashtag GUD, hashtag tweak homes. This is called Stash and Fits for Phoenix, iOS 9.3.5, fits is stashing on Phoenix. This is called Stashin for Etasin JB, iOS 8.4.1 enables stashing on the Etasin JB. The next tweet is called Mobile Terminal. And it's a terminal application for your iPhone. This is called /provisioning profile fixer. And some devices, especially those that have undergone a semi-restored provision profiles, are unable to be installed on the device. This is especially noticeable when users attempt to use a TestFlight app and they cannot install the app due to a vague TestFlight is currently unavailable error message. Installing this package repairs the file system permissions for the provision profile directory and restore functionality of TestFlight and installing provision profiles in general. In other words, all semi-restored devices have broken provision profile permissions and should install this package. It's reported that this bugged the Coolstar and he's aware of it. Next tweet is called iSwipe. It's a swipe-like clone for iOS. It allows you to type words efficiently by sliding your finger across the keyboard. It's basically just like swipe expander or swipe extender. It allows you to, as you're typing, you can swipe and move the cursor, along the keyboard. So pretty cool tweak. This is called Complete PP Sync Remover, and its package attempts to clean your iOS install of all traces of the horrible written Chinese AppSync PP Sync. This is called CC Uptime. Check your device uptime from the control center. You see, it tells you uptime, Jailbreak, Odyssey, and the amount of time for uptime. This tweet is called Better Alerts. Blur UI when alerts and action sheets appear. Text color customization, light and dark blur. Supports all devices on iOS 12. Supports Touch ID and Face ID, and more to come. This tweet is called libnebs. Collection of classes used in most of my tweets. Installing a device, it means that you're using one of this person's tweets from libnebs. This tweet is called MagSafe Controller. And recreation of MagSafe charging view when connecting the device to a power source. Native MagSafe and charging view when connecting the device to a power source. iOS 14.1 and above. Control size and color of MagSafe charging view elements. Next tweet is called More Bar Ets 13. More status bar icons. This feature is called Preference Organizer, and it organizes and declutters your preferences app into several configurable categories for ease of navigation. This feature is called Lock Plus Pro. By far the best lock screen tweets on Jailbreak iPhone, has a large community of over 10,000 downloadable free themes. Supports iOS 9 to iOS 14. This is called Callbar version 4.0-127, which is right here. It was actually updated to fix an issue with the WhatsApp and Callbar UI appearing with a solid background. So don't let incoming calls disrupt you. Does cost $3.99, 50% discount for Callbar owners. So if iOS 11 you use Callbar iOS 12 and above you would use this suite, Callbar So we have all these features you guys can read about, and basically just what it does. Instead of the call taking up the whole screen, you can navigate and use your phone even when you're in a call, and have that call button like on top. Something Apple should have done originally. Most tweets are stuff that Apple should have done and features that Apple should have, but they don't. That's why we have tweets. Last but not least, we have Twitch no ads. This seems to be working on the latest version of Twitch. Is that okay? Okay. Removes ads. Can save clips, live or stream videos, and currently not supported. Press and hold on a clip video to show download options. Supports iOS 12 to 14 in the latest Twitch version. So it is free. So if you guys can, like it says right here, support them using this PayPal link. A couple dollars, even $1 would help. It's nice to donate to developers, especially when they have their tweets and everything for free, and especially when their tweets have no ads. So yeah, this guy is making no revenue from his tweets. He makes all his revenue from donations, so it would be nice if you could donate anything. Everything adds up. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.